Hello student, welcome to video lecture series in Engineering Mathematics 1. Our today's topic is Jacobian. In today's lecture we are going to learn what is the definition of Jacobian, some examples on Jacobian and application of Jacobian. So first of all, let us see what is the Jacobian or Jacobian matrix. Let u and v be a continuous and differentiable functions of two variables x and y. Then Jacobian of uv with respect to variable x and y is denoted by Jacobian of uv with respect to variable x and y is denoted by delta of uv with respect to Jacobian of xy. I am read this as Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, or we can also write this as uv with respect to xy, and is defined as, and it is defined as, so Jacobian is defined as Jacobian of uv with respect to variable x and y, or we can also write this as delta of uv with respect to xy is equal to determinant. First row is partial derivative of u with respect to x with respect to y. Second row is partial derivative of v with respect to x, v with respect to y. Or we can also denote this as ux uy vx vy. So in this notation we can also write the Jacobian. Now similarly, if Jacobian of uvw with respect to variables x, y and z is defined and denoted as Jacobian of uvw with respect to x, y, z is equal to three variables. So first row is partial derivative of u with respect to x, u with respect to y, u with respect to z. What is the second row? Partial derivative of v with respect to x, v with respect to y and v with respect to z. Third row is w with respect to x, w with respect to y and w with respect to z. So this is the Jacobian determinant. So Jacobian determinant is a number which gives us the information about the transformation. Jacobian number or Jacobian determinant is a number which gives us the information about the transformation. Also, what are the application of Jacobian? Just one second. Now, some application of Jacobians are, so Jacobian describes the amount of stretching, rotating or transforming when the transformation is applied. Jacobian gives us the amount of stretching, rotating and transformation when we apply transformation on any function. So Jacobian is also useful in multiple integral to convert a multiple integral from one system to another system. Now, in two dimension, it measures how much the unit area is distorted by given transformation, and in R3, it measures how much the unit volume is distorted by the transformation. So Jacobian is also useful in difficult calculation, but in particular in integral, since the difficult calculation becomes simple after applying the transformation. So these are the some application of Jacobians. So first example is, if u is equal to x into 1 minus y and v is equal to xy, then find Jacobian of ub with respect to xy. So how to find this? Here given that u is equal to x into 1 minus y and v is equal to function of two variable xy, that is x. Now what is the definition of Jacobian? So we know that Jacobian of ub with respect to xy is equal to, what is first row? Partial derivative of u with respect to x, u with respect to y, v with respect to x and v with respect to y. What is del u by del x? Partial derivative of u with respect to x. What is differentiation of u with respect to x is what? 1 minus y. What is differentiation of u with respect to y? It is a minus x. Partial derivative of v with respect to x is what? Y. And with respect to y is x. Now solve this determinant. So it is x into 1 minus y minus xy. So x minus xy minus xy, this minus might become plus, x into this, so minus might become, this is plus sign, so minus xy plus xy get cancelled, therefore value of the Jacobian is equal to x. Value of Jacobian is equal to x. Example, if x equal to v square plus w square, y is equal to w square plus u square and z equal to u square plus v square, then find the value of Jacobian of uvw with respect to x, y and z. With respect to x, y and z. First of all, write the by using definition. By definition, what is the definition of Jacobian? Here Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w. How to define this? So first row is what? Partial derivative of x with respect to u, x with respect to v and x with respect to w. Second row is y with respect to u, y with respect to v and y with respect to w. Third row is z with respect to u, z with respect to v and z with respect to w. This is a 3x3 determinant. So with the help of definition, we can write the Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w. Now we have given, what is given to you? X equal to v square plus w square. Therefore, del x by del u equal to what? What is y given? Y is equal to w square plus u square and z is given to you u square plus v square. Now differentiate x, y, z with to UVW. First is partial derivative of x with respect to v is what? 0. Partial derivative of x with respect to v is 2v, or partial derivative of x with respect to w is 2w. Second row is derivative of u with respect to u is 2u, derivative of y with respect to u, y with respect to v is 0, and y with respect to w is it is a 2w. Now third row, partial derivative of z with respect to v is 2u, z with respect to v is 2v, and z with respect to w is 0. Now solving this determinant, solve this determinant. So how to solve this? 0 into what? 0 into this 4 VW minus 2V into 0 minus 4 UW plus 2W into 4 times UV minus 0, and value of this is equal to 0. What is value of this? It is minus become plus. It is 8 UVW, 8 UVW, and what is the value of this? It is 8 UV and W, and the answer is 16 UVW. So value of the Jacobian is what? 16 UV and W. But we want to calculate Jacobian of UVW with respect to XYZ. But I want Jacobian of UVW with respect to X, Y and Z. हमने क्या कैलकुलेट किया? Just we have calculated Jacobian of X, Y, Z with respect to UVW. Therefore Jacobian of UVW with respect to X, Y, Z is equal to what? ये कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 upon Jacobian of X, Y, Z with respect to UVW, and this is equal to 1 upon 16 UVW, and this is the answer. So here we can use the property J into J dash equal to 1.